All right, we got full screen now. Yes, guys, we got a wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay adapter. This will make your car basically wireless. Your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. That's what this would do. Even if your car's newer, some of the newer cars do not have that, but this box will let you play YouTube videos on your existing screen. Big shout out to Sony for sending us this item for you guys, so we can test for you guys, see if it works or see if it doesn't work. They're not paying us for this video. They're just sending us the item to test for you guys, see if you guys like it or if you guys don't like it. I will leave the links down below in the description section of this video, so for you guys to check out. It says Smart AI box. It says power input 5 volts 1 amp, CPU Qualcomm quad core 64 bits. So it does have a CPU inside. So Android 11.0 or iOS 10 plus. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of these deals, any of the tool reviews we do. We do have a USB Type-C with USB and 2 USB Type-C. So it says on the back FCSC ROHS, made in China, input 5 volts 1 amp. It is in colors, I really like that. Alright, we turn on the truck. Alright, the stereo's on. We're gonna go ahead and connect this device. So we're gonna try this newer stereo, see if it does work. Alright, so it's doing something. You got a Smart AI box, so it does work with the newer style, Pioneers. Alright, so it does work with this one. Just click down like that and go to the hotspot right there. So hotspot there, and then you're gonna be able to access Wi-Fi. Alright, so that takes you to the home screen. Alright, so this one you can select YouTube. Wow. You are able to select, like, those are not my stuff, by the way, I don't know. But you are able to play right off from your phone, like from the internet from your phone. But just put Toolhead 147. So wow, just look at my latest video. So from the internet of your phone, you are able to power this.
Thanksgiving is an institution.
Alright, so it takes, that's really loud. We'll skip that. And obviously you can press play. It's just like an Android phone, basically. That's crazy. So it's basically like another phone. You're able to, like, just, you know, click different videos, related videos, and it's actually pretty fast. It depends on your provider. There's a Black Friday video we just posted, so it plays it pretty good, guys. Device to that, we have to turn on the Bluetooth Smart AI box, Galaxy S10. That's what I have. Those are all the phones you guys can connect to this device. You got music, you got phone, and then you got if you want to dial, you got music. It says speed play. Let's see what it has here. It says speed play. Please connect this Bluetooth Smart AI box. Alright, so we did. Alright, so continue on setup on your car. We got a prompt screen there. Continue. Welcome to Android Auto. Apps are right here, the ones that are compatible with Android Auto. Back. Go back. So you got the little arrow right there, so you guys can go back. Select Netflix. So I guess, yeah. So Netflix is definitely playable here. So we got Netflix, we got YouTube, we got car right there. So if you want to go back to the car, or select Apple CarPlay to go back in here. But yeah, if you want to go back to the car, that's where you go. You can select music. 2023 Telluride. So we got the 2023 Kia Telluride. It does have a USB there, so you guys can connect. This is not wireless CarPlay. This is just a plug-in CarPlay. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this device in. The red light is steady on, and the green light is flashing. It says Apple CarPlay. It does work, guys. It does work. That is crazy. Watching YouTube, watching Netflix. Restart the screen for calibration. Alright, so I guess it's restarting it. It's calibrating the device, because there was a really small screen there. Green, so it is calibrating the... Check that out. We got the smart AI box powered by Android. Alright, we got full screen now. Alright, so we're here at the main screen. Again, we're gonna put on the YouTubes. So we're gonna click on YouTube. Yeah, it's kind of slow. I want to go ahead and put it on the phone. Well, it actually worked. So yeah, there you go, guys. Big old screen. We got the tool head 147 there for you guys. Full screen. All right, let's skip that ad. Let's go full screen here. So we got full screen. Check that out. So that is full screen right there. It's not the full screen of the vehicle, but let's put my mobile hotspot here in with the cell phone that I have currently here. That's it, guys. I believe this does work pretty good. You can watch your YouTubes, like I said, in your vehicle, especially when you're parked and stuff like that. Definitely check this out. It does work pretty good. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.